Meaning of feet.
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 Feet. The word feet refers to the plural form of the anatomical structure that supports the human body when standing or walking. Specifically, feet are composed of bones, muscles, and connective tissues that work together to enable movement and balance. Feet are essential for mobility and physical activity, as they allow individuals to navigate their surroundings and perform daily tasks like running, jumping, and standing. Proper foot care is important for maintaining overall health and well-being, as foot problems can lead to pain, discomfort, and impaired mobility.